Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best bobbin is probably one of the most underrated tools in a fly tyers kit, but trust me, it's essential. Today, we're diving deep into the world of fly tying bobbins, exploring what makes a great one, and how it can elevate your fly tying game. We'll cover everything from the different types of bobbins to the features you should look for, ensuring you're equipped to create durable and effective flies. Number 5. Fly Tying Bobbins 2-Pack Fly Fishing Kit. These sharp, stainless steel scissors are perfect for trimming materials. They allow you to shape your fly patterns with exceptional control and accuracy. The two included bobbin holders provide a stable and adjustable platform for your thread. This enables you to wind and secure materials with confidence. This versatile whip finisher allows you to expertly finish off your fly patterns. It ensures a secure and professional-looking result every time. The entire kit is neatly organized in a compact, portable case. It's easy to take with you on your fishing adventures or store conveniently at home. Whether you're a seasoned fly tyer or just starting, this kit is the ultimate accessory. Elevate your craft, personalize your flies, and enjoy creating your own custom lures with this comprehensive set. What we like. The sharp stainless steel scissors give you exceptional control. The adjustable bobbin holders provide a stable platform. This kit is compact and portable. If you are looking for a comprehensive set with all the essential tools, this is the one for you. What people say. They are some of the best I have used. Great set. The bobbins are super smooth and the scissors are sharp, and love the fact that they are spring-loaded makes them easier to use. Quality product. Extra threads when nice, will buy again. Number 4. XFISHMAN Fly Tying Bobbin Holder 2-Pack. This bobbin holder features a hyperboloid design, meticulously crafted by CNC machines. It fits your fingers perfectly, providing an excellent grip. This design helps reduce fatigue during long fly tying sessions. The ceramic hole is designed to be super smooth. This feature prevents your thread from fraying, ensuring smooth operation. It helps you create better flies. This kit is built to last with its sturdy construction and stainless steel finish. The ceramic barrel is well designed for long-term performance. You can rely on it for all your fly tying needs. The manufacturer uses high-quality materials to ensure a perfect finish. This bobbin holder is durable and easy to control. It's designed to make your fly tying easier and more enjoyable. The adjustable tension bobbin is designed to accommodate all your thread spools. It accepts standard sizes, making your fly tying more convenient. This tool will make your fly tying easier and more fun. What we like. The hyperboloid design fits your fingers perfectly. The smooth ceramic hole prevents thread fraying. This bobbin is durable and easy to control. If you are looking for a comfortable grip and long-lasting performance, you should consider this. What people say. Really impressed with weight and love the ceramic tips that cut down on the frayed thread. They feel good in the hands and they don't cut thread. The threader is probably the best I have ever owned. They hold the spools firmly, and so far, the ceramic inserts are super smooth. Number 3. Dr. Slick ECO4 Bobbin with Dual Glass Inserts. This bobbin features dual glass inserts, designed for smooth and consistent thread delivery. These inserts help to prevent thread from snagging or breaking, ensuring a seamless fly tying experience. The brass feet provide a stable base for the bobbin, enhancing its durability. They also add a touch of classic style, making it a reliable tool for any fly tyer. With a 4-inch length, this bobbin is easy to handle and maneuver. It's the perfect size for a variety of fly tying applications, offering precision and control. Crafted from 400-grade stainless steel, this bobbin is built to last. This material is resistant to corrosion and wear, ensuring its longevity and performance. This bobbin embodies a classic style, combining functionality with timeless design. It's a must-have tool for both novice and experienced fly tyers. What we like. This bobbin features dual glass inserts and brass feet. It has a classic style. If you like a traditional design with quality materials, you should consider this. What people say. Medium tension and treats threads well when tying. These are very nice bobbins. They have glass ends that are very smooth and don't snag or chafe the thread. The ends are still small and not bulky around the hook. Exactly what I was looking for. Comfortable and economical. Number 2. Dr. Slick Ceramic Bobbins. Introducing the Dr. Slick Ceramic Bobbins. This tool is designed for precision and durability. It's an essential for any fly tyer. The bobbins feature a sleek stainless steel and brass finish. This not only looks great, but also provides long-lasting performance and corrosion resistance. Equipped with Delrin feet, this bobbin ensures smooth thread flow. It helps to prevent thread from snagging and breaking during your tying process. The dual ceramic inserts are a key feature. They provide exceptional smoothness and reduce thread wear, allowing for precise control. Available in multiple sizes, 3, 4, and 4.75 inches. This variety ensures you have the right tool for any fly tying project. The funnel insert makes threading the bobbin a breeze. It simplifies the process, saving you time and effort. What we like. This bobbin has a stainless steel and brass finish. It features Delrin feet and dual ceramic inserts. If you are looking for a bobbin with a premium finish and durable construction, you should consider this. What people say. Great product. Very smooth. Solid performer. Needed to bend a tad to loosen grip. Comes pretty stiff. Works well though. What really got me was how smooth it is when tying. A little shorter in length than my other bobbins, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. Number 1. Creative Angler Fly Tying Bobbin and Threader Combo. This combo is perfect for all skill levels, from beginners to experts. It's a key addition to any fly tyer's toolkit, simplifying the process with its user-friendly design. Crafted with robust materials, this equipment is designed to endure countless tying sessions. You can count on it for reliability and longevity in all your fly tying endeavors. The innovative bobbin holder and threader work together seamlessly. This makes the delicate task of fly tying more efficient and enjoyable, especially for those just starting out. Whether you're tying tiny dry flies or large streamers, this combo set is versatile enough. Its adaptability makes it an indispensable tool for all your fly tying needs. Incorporating this combo will significantly enhance your efficiency and precision. It's an essential tool that elevates the quality and effectiveness of your hand-tied flies, a valuable addition for any angler. What we like. This combo is perfect for all skill levels. It's built to last and streamlines the fly tying process. If you are just starting out and want a simple, easy-to-use setup, this is perfect for you. What people say. Very well made and easy to use. These tools work as expected. Fit the thread spool. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.